Hello! So, balik tayo sa regular, yan, maganda sana sa TikTok kasi maganda ng filter nila doon, aminin natin. Pero, short period lang, ibig sabihin short video lang yung kaya nating magawa doon, which is 3 minutes. And, ayoko na naghahabol, ayoko na merong timer pagdating sa ganitong mga bagay, okay? So, the energy is all about you watching this. Okay? By the time na napapanood mo ako, congratulations. You made it. No, although hindi pa talaga 100% that you made it, pero it is actually given or releasing a signal from the other side na you're good. Ibig sabihin lang nito na you survive. Once again, meron ka pa rin mga mararamdaman na mga konting parang jet lags. Let us just call it jet lags, okay? It's more on parang hangover, okay? Nung mga bagay na pinagdaanan mo. You went through a lot. As in, you went through a lot and ang daming nangyari. As in, like, sometimes you cry, 'di ba? Ang daming nangyari. Walang words to actually explain it. But if we will look at things in a positive way, kahit na sabihin natin na napakaraming hindi magandang nangyari sa'yo, you grow, you improve, nagkaroon ka ng kakaibang strength, okay, you discover some inner strength on you na hindi mo akalain na meron ka. Yung hate mo doon sa mga tao that actually torturing you, napalitan ng pasasalamat. Because by the time na napapanood mo to, nararamdaman mo na may yung transformation is the transformation ng pagkatao mo. Nare-realize mo na okay, ito yung lagi ko sinasabi na you finally realize kung bakit nangyari sa iyo yung mga bagay na yon. Okay? This is the time ay din na nare-realize mo na okay, kaya pala nangyari sa akin yung bagay na yon kasi ganito. Ito na yon. This is it. So kahit nasabihin mo na meron pa rin konting hangover, jet lags, yung mga nangyari sa iyo lately, nangingibabaw yung typical na parang okay, kaya pala. Ito pala yung dahilan. Okay. So, here's the catch. Nabanggit ko kanina na itong nangyayari sa iyo is actually releasing a signal or energy sa kabila. Sino ba yung kabila? Sila yung mga energy na ibig sabihin na purposely, or sinadya na dumating sa buhay mo to create yung chaos, yung gulo. Okay. So, dumating sila sa buhay mo to create yung chaos, yung gulo, but nakikita nila na parang you are no longer affected. Maski anong gawin nila, you are no longer affected. Bagkos iba yung nangyayari. Dahan-dahan ka nang nakakaalis doon sa mga chaotic, toxic na ginawa nila. Which is expected nila, my dear. Hindi ka na dapat, supposed to be, you're not alive. Supposed to be, hindi ka na dapat nakasurvive doon. That's the original plan. That's the original plan na dapat ganito, dapat ganyan din, eventually wala ka na. But congratulations, you survived, you make it, you made it. Okay, so kagaya ng sinasabi ko, meron pang hangover to, meron ka pang jet lags, whatever you wanna call it. Pero as of this moment, nare-realize mo kung bakit nangyari yung mga bagay na yon. Nagkakaroon ka ng awakening. Tama yon, awakening. realization, acceptance, and nakikita mo kung gaano kalaki ang inimprove mo bilang isang tao. And kagaya ng sinasabi ko, maybe before, you hate those people na binigyan ka ng iba't ibang challenges, struggles, pagsubok, but this time, nagpapasalamat ka sa kanila. And isa yun sa mga hindi nila matanggap. Kasi ang pinaka-original plan is to destroy you. And paano ka magpapasalamat sa isang tao na balak kang sirain, na balak kang i-eliminate? Pero you made the impossible. Kasi hindi yun talaga yung original plan. Ang original is like magalit ka or 'di ba? Pero this is the time na nagpapasalamat ka to all the people that hurt you, to all the people na gusto kang hilahin pababa, for all the people na gusto kang i-eliminate, because you discover something. Meron ka na-discover inside you. A inner power, inner strength na hindi mo akalain na meron ka pala.